my son and I preparing cucumbers for a quinoa salad that he requested. I was really happy about that. Because I have two sons, and I made all their food from when they were first born for about 5 years until I left Ultimate Fighting due to traumatic brain injury and lost everything. All my money and custody. And that really compounded the trauma I was going through, and it hasn't been easy to make a comeback. It's been really tough. But guess what? I'm tough too. Here's the thing. Only because of my health can I continue. And believe me, there's been times I was tempted to cheat. But I always had my sons to keep me honest. I never, ever gave them something unhealthy. And now it makes me mad that people did that and continue to do that to kids as if there's something that could be more important. No, not to me. I haven't cheated in over 5 years. And for the last 2, I've eaten nothing but Master Lukey brand. This is my pizza that can be vacuum sealed and shipped, because I know it's tough out there, in the marketplace, and I'm fighting for us. I don't want you to get a damn heart attack or your kid get cancer from pizza. Not to mention cellulite and environmental destruction from the grains and dairy, which are opiates, by the way. Yeah, addictive. We gotta fight back as a team. And I'm the leader of the good guys. You can trust my brand. Every dollar you spend on Life Food Certified is a contribution to my mission to save the world and everyone on it. One nation. One menu. Order now on lifefoodcertified.com and get back to me with any questions 24/7 on masterlukey.com.